Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make a salad which is called vinaigrette, and for that we need some beans, we need some pickled cucumber and cabbage, and we need carrots, beetroot and potatoes which are already boiled. For the beginning you need to start this process of making a salad with cutting out the carrots and then adding the beans, both the black ones and white ones, into and mix all of the other ingredients together into one plate. So let's go on and add all of them here, and let's go on and continue with this process of cutting down with the potatoes, which are again already boiled down and ready to be cut it down. Cut them as well and add to the other ingredients that you had, and go on with cutting down the pickled cucumbers. Whenever done, let's add this as well to the other ingredients of the salad, and go on with the pickled cabbage. Cut it into small pieces as well, and whenever all done and ready, add this to the salad again. This is a very easy recipe. All you have to do is cut everything down. So let's continue this process with cutting down the onion into small pieces, and add this as well to the salad. And now it's the turn for the beetroot, which is again boiled, and cut this into very small pieces and add this to the salad as well. Whenever done, you'll be ready to start with adding the salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, black pepper, and adding olive oil. You can add here a lot of olive oil because the ingredients are a lot. Also, you can add some greens, parsley in this case, or anything else that you have at home will go great. Basil leaves will be great as well with this salad. So go on and add it to the salad, to the other ingredients, and let's mix all of these ingredients together. This is going to be absolutely very tasty, and it is ready to be served. Now you can try it, and if you like it, you can share this recipe with your friends. We hope you like it. Good appetite!